Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we cook, explore, and immerse ourselves in the beautiful world of cuisine. Today we're venturing into the heart of Italian culinary tradition. Get ready, because we're making risotto. Arborio rice, homemade chicken broth, white wine, onions, butter, Parmesan cheese. Simple, right? But there's so much more to this creamy, savory dish than you may think. Here are some lesser-known facts about risotto before we get started. Did you know that the origins of risotto date back to the Middle Ages? It was when the Arabs brought rice to Sicily and Spain that risotto began to take root in Italy. So, next time you enjoy a plate of this creamy goodness, remember that you're partaking in a centuries-old tradition. Although arborio is the most well-known, Italians actually use various types of rice for risotto depending on the region and the dish. Violone nano and Carnaroli are two other varieties that are often used. They each have different cooking times and absorption capacities, lending unique textures and flavors to the dish. And speaking of absorption, that's actually one of the key steps in making risotto. The process of slow cooking and gradually adding broth allows the rice to release its starches, creating that signature creamy texture we all love, without the need for cream. Now, most of us know that risotto is typically finished off with a bit of Parmesan cheese. But did you know that this is a relatively modern adaptation? Historically, risotto was made with butter and bone marrow, giving it a rich, decadent taste. This traditional version, called risotto alla Milanese, is still popular in Milan today. Stirring the risotto is another crucial part of the process. It's not just to prevent sticking. The constant stirring helps to coax out those starches from the rice, making for a creamier risotto. We've explored some unique facts about risotto today, from its rich history to the reasons behind its creaminess. But remember, the most important ingredient in any dish is the love and passion you put into it. So, let's continue cooking this risotto with love, and I can't wait to see how yours turns out. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating culinary adventures. Buon appetito!